App crashing because of the msdia80.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the cause and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. This DLL file is the Microsoft Debug Interface Access Library for Visual Studio 2005. It provides an interface for accessing information within Program Database, PDB files, enabling tools to map executable addresses back to source code. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. To stabilize the runtime environment, you'll need to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Visit Microsoft's support page to download both the x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables and proceed with the installation. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered msdia80 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Manual intervention with the msdia80.dll is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. A maintenance path for the msdia80 and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Microsoft Visual C++ working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.